Hello, my PMP aspirants. I hope all of you are doing good and are in great health. So, welcome to today's session about the introduction to PMP certification. I am Engineer Abdul Rahman Khan and I am PMP certified with all above targets in all of the domains. The presentation sequence of today's presentation would be first, we will discuss the overview of project management. What is project management? Then, what is PMP certification? After that, we'll discuss the benefits of PMP certification, timeline of PMP certification process, PMP eligibility requirements, PMP exam overview, and lastly, we will discuss your route to becoming PMP certified. Let's get started. So, starting from the overview of project management. The project management is basically the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. This is basically the definition of PMBOK. Okay, now discussing the importance of project management. It is essential across a wide range of industries, including construction, information technology, healthcare, finance, engineering, and many others. It ensures that the projects are completed efficiently, on time, within budget, and to the required quality standards. Project management gives you the effective project management contributes to organizational success by delivering products, services, and results that meet or exceed stakeholders' expectations. Now, discussing what is PMP certification. PMP or Project Management Professional Certification is a globally recognized credential offered by Project Management Institute of the USA in the field of project management. This certification basically demonstrates your professional competency in leading and directing project teams as well as delivering project results within the constraints of schedule, budget, and scope. Now discussing the benefits of PMP certification. First and foremost, it will improve your job prospects and career advancement opportunities. Secondly, it will enhance your credibility and recognition within the project management community. Thirdly, it will increase your earning potential due to the high demand for certified professionals in the industry. Fourthly, it will give you access to a global network of project management professionals and resources. And the last, it will give you opportunities to contribute to organizational success by applying best practices and standards in project management. Okay, now discussing the timeline of PMP certification process, that how the whole PMP certification process works. Firstly, you will have to submit your application, and once you've started your application, you will be having 90 days to complete the application. Then you'll submit the application, and the application will be reviewed, and it will take around 5 business days. Randomly, your application can be, you can say, go for the audit process. And if your application is selected for audit, you will have 90 days to send your audit materials, which will be further processed in 5 to 7 business days. And after the audit process and after the approval of your application, you will pay your exam fees, for which you will be having 365 days or the 1 year. After you've paid the exam fee, you will schedule your exam and pass the exam, and then your certification cycle will start. And you will be start maintaining your certification in a 3 year cycle in which you will and report 60 professional development units or the PDUs. Now coming towards the PMP eligibility requirements. So basically PMP eligibility based on some factors. First of all, it depends on the level of education you have. If you have a 4 years or a bachelor degree, or if you have a secondary or a high school diploma. So if you have a 4 years or a bachelor degree, first of all, then you should have at least 3 years or 36 months of unique non-overlapping project management experience. And you should have 35 hours of project management training or the education. Secondly, if you have a secondary degree, you should have the 5 years or the 60 months of project management experience. And additionally, you should have 35 hours of project management training or the education. Okay, now coming towards the most important part, the PMP exam and its overview. So total you will be having 180 questions in the exam, and out of that 180 questions, 175 questions will be scored and 5 questions will be unscored. You won't be knowing which questions are scored and which are the unscored questions in the exam, as they are separated, you can say, distributed randomly throughout the exam. So you will be having total of 270 minutes or 4.5 hours for the whole examination session, which will be really distributed as follows. Starting with a tutorial of 10 minutes before the exam starts, and the total actual time of the exam is 230 minutes. And after that, you will be having 10 minutes breaks between the exam session and ending with a survey of 10 minutes. Now, discussing the exam content outline. So, the exam will be distributed in three domains. First, the people domain, secondly, the process domains, and lastly, will be the business environment domain. The percentage of the people domain on the exam test would be 42% or the 76 questions, and the process domain would be leading with a 50% percentage on the exam and 90 questions throughout the exam. The business environment will be have the least number of percentage of 8% and 14 questions. These questions will be randomly distributed throughout the exam. Okay, so before concluding this presentation, let's discuss what can be your route to becoming PMP certified. So route one would be the authorized through a authorized training partner. Route two would if you self-study, if you study without any going to any authorized training partner. So if you go towards the route one, you will be having all in one thing. The authorized trading partner will be giving you all in one. They will be providing you with the 35 PDUs, the required training, coaching, and the mock simulator. Okay. So they are basically authorized training partner of the project management institutes. For this route, you will be requiring a minimum investment of $700. Okay, so if you goes towards this route two or the self-study route, you will be getting, you can say, you will be doing the self-study via PMI study hall, or you can explore more online resources like Udemy and other sites. Secondly, you can get your 35 videos and mock simulators from Udemy or other online website sources. For this, your investment would be up to 250 to $300, varying on which course you select and which online resource you select. Thank you guys for attending this session. I am really obliged that you all are really interested in PMP certification. For more guidance and support, you can contact at these email address and the contact numbers. I am always available for any kind of guidance. And the best of luck for your future endeavors. Bye bye.